Hiya, this is Poems of the Apocalypse. My name's Martin and I've got 3 poems for you today. First of all, The Veil. The veil, it is lifting, the consciousness shifting. Hidden knowledge appearing just what they were fearing. We'll soon be all knowing the corruption is going. It will all become better. Go with it and let her. Remember, don't panic. It may get quite manic. Trust me, my friend, will be good in the end. They will not go easy. They're shifty and sleazy. They like the odd war too. But we will prevail. In time, they will bail. So live life and love. We'll give them a shove. So trust in the time. It will all work out fine. Positive thinking. Get that vibration up there. Next one is The Nature of Reality. Atoms are almost empty. 99%. We really do have plenty. We're empties, what I meant. We're 60% water. 70 in our brain. Whether son or daughter, nothing of us. It's insane. Our minds make it seem that everything is real. But it is more like a dream, making solid what we feel. We are a waveform in a holographic realm. Our vibe is our norm. It's us that's at the helm. All that we see vibrates the whole universe, not just your best mates. It defo could be worse. Your thoughts can also travel 40,000 miles. Things began to unravel. CIA released the files. Quite short ones today. And the last one is gods. We are gods of our own creation. We've been lied to by every nation. They said you need your pineal, but just go inside and heal. What triggers you? Find out the cause, and you can heal it. Your thoughts create your life, and if positive, free from strife. Sorry, a couple of scribbles out, wasn't sure where I was. So raise your vibe so high, using tones, your vibe will fly. Om is just one of them. So take back your rights of birth, and we'll create heaven on earth. There's no mistakes, whatever you've done. Forgive yourself and know we've won. And the worse it gets out there, you know it's because they're starting to panic. Love you guys. See you next time.